These right here are Turkestan roaches. So these black ones over here, they're the females. The ones with the wings, these are the males. And if you look closely at the... Get off my hand. Look at that. Perfect example.
Like, yeah, thank you, sir.
He's like, I just came for the Belgian chocolate. That's it. That's it.
Yes.
So those are just little baby cucarachas, just baby cockroaches. But she's literally right in the middle of birthing them. Whoa, isn't that crazy? Look at her. Oh, that's so intense. Honestly, even though it's kind of gross, cockroach, we can get over that. Really beautiful. Look at that. They're all just coming out. So cool. So the little heads moving.
After discovering this trick, my house never had flies, mosquitoes, or cockroaches again. Before I discovered this, I always had problems with unwanted insects in my home. But with these ingredients you have at home, you can make this incredible mixture that will eliminate your problems. Let's start by adding 2 cups of water into a pan. We will also add cloves. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. Let's let it boil well and mix in the meantime. This will ensure that all the essence and nutrients remain in the water, thus enhancing our mixture. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of baking soda